In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and set a video lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S8, Note 8, or Galaxy S9. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. And today we're going to talk all about the video lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now this recently came to the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Note 8 devices in the June security patch. If you guys are not seeing this setting, it's because you either haven't received the update or it's not available in your country. And sorry, there's not much else I can do to help you beyond that. But today I'm going to show you a few new tricks that I have learned and show you how you can do this. So the first thing that we want to do is pinch our home screen, and here we can go into the wallpapers option. So in here you can download all kinds of different wallpapers from Samsung and change your themes and all that. But now you'll notice that some of these say video. So this is a brand new option where you have these different video icons so that then you can actually go and download different videos from the theme store. So if we go to the search bar right here and I search video, you will find a bunch of different options that you can download right on your phone. Now, I do want to mention that the Firework Dog and Maple, I was not able to find on my other Galaxy S8 device, but I will leave a link in the description below because I know you guys are going to ask me where I got those so that you can download them. So going on, all of these other ones you should be able to see, and there's a pretty good selection, not a ton, but it's really nice so that you don't have to go out and create your own. They are already there inside this wallpaper application. So if I want to add any of these to my phone, all I need to do is open it up, download it, and then here I would select apply. And then I would need to select set wallpaper, and then it is added to my lock screen. So here, when I click the video, you can see that that video lock screen has been added. Now the lock screen will only stay on for about 5 seconds unless you touch the screen and start to swipe. So if I kind of swipe, it will hide my clock and I can just watch the video, and then when I let go, it will completely unlock the phone. So it really just adds this nice little effect every time you go and unlock your phone. So you can go in and check out all of these. There's a bunch that you can buy, or Samsung has actually created a bunch as well, so you could go through and download any of these and add those to your phone. Now, if you want to create your own video and add them to your video wallpaper, all you would need to do is go into your gallery and then find any video that you want to use. So if I just go to my camera roll, and here we have a bunch of videos. It might be best if you actually create a video in a vertical video format. So here, this is widescreen. When you're creating the video, create it in a vertical format. And then you go in here, select menu, and then set as wallpaper, and then it will show you what that is going to look like. Now, the video lock screen can only be 15 seconds long. So if it is longer than that, you will need to crop it down. So here I just select set wallpaper, or here I could edit it and trim down exactly what part I want to see. I select set wallpaper, and now that has been applied as my lock screen. So when I go to unlock, I would see that video right there. And if it's only a few seconds long, it would just repeat within that time, and there I can unlock it. So down here, I did find a few other videos that were really cool that I wanted to add. So I took them and I cropped them to a 9:16 ratio. So I went through Adobe Premiere and I edited them so that they were in a long format and so that it looks really cool when I add those to my lock screen. So if I go in here and go into the album that they are in, I could find any of these videos, open them up, select menu, set as wallpaper, and now that will be added as my lock screen. Just like that. Pretty simple, looks really cool. A lot of people have asked, is this going to drain the battery of the phone? Now, typically, you're only looking at this for a second or two, so it's not going to do too much just because it's kind of there in the background ready to play. I haven't noticed a difference having this on my phone versus not having it, but those that are a little more technical on the battery may see it a little different. So that's about it in applying a video lock screen to your device. So you can either find them from the theme store right here, right on your Samsung device. You can go and take your own videos and make them, or you can actually go and take other videos, crop them to size, and you would be able to import them right onto your phone. If you guys have any further questions about this feature, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe and select that bell notification icon so you'll be notified as soon as I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.